My beloved child, today I have come to tell you something that you were not ready to hear, but it is necessary for you to know. What I am going to speak to you today is not ordinary words. This is a heavenly warning, a divine revelation, and a spiritual truth that you must know today. My child, stop. Listen. Listen carefully. This is the very moment for which I have been preparing you for many weeks, because someone has spoken your name before dark powers. Yes, my child, you heard it absolutely right. Your name was spoken in a place where the good of your soul was not intended, where darkness was present, where intentions were poisonous, where the heart was filled with jealousy, bitterness, and envy. A person, yes, a woman, whose face carried a sweet smile, but inside was filled with poison, who showed you love from the front, but burned with your light from behind. She spoke your name in a place where your well-being was not even considered. What was her intention? To stop your path, to disturb your peace, to slow your progress, to tarnish your reputation, to confuse your soul. But my child, whose protection are you under? On whose palm are you written? Whose breath formed you? You are mine. And what is mine? Darkness cannot even touch. The woman who did this, I was watching her. She walked in the darkness of the night, carrying the bitterness of her heart, filling her words with poison, and before dark powers, she presented your name. Her intention was that the protective circles I built around you would become weak. She did not know how heavy my hand is upon you. She did not know by what light your soul is covered. She did not know that the God you call upon walks before you, walks with you, walks behind you, and stands around you like a wall. My child, whatever seeds one sows, the same they reap. The woman who used your name for darkness, sickness has begun to enter her life. First light pain, then weakness, then fear, then sleepless nights, and now, her own body is carrying the weight of her own schemes. You do not desire revenge, but I execute justice. I am not the God of revenge, but the King of justice, and justice always leans toward the light. She struck you from behind. She used you. She mocked your goodness. She laughed at your struggles. And when you fell, instead of extending a helping hand, she spread stories of your downfall. Now her own home is filling with unrest. Her own mind is breaking. Her own relationships are falling apart. Her own health is declining. Because darkness returns to darkness, she is slowly becoming weak. Financially, emotionally, spiritually, and she cannot understand where her downfall began. But I know, my child, very soon, you will know everything that was spoken against you. I will show you the face that betrayed you. I will show you the steps that were taken to stop your success. And I will tell you the truth that kept your heart burdened for years. But you do not go seeking revenge. You just watch, because I myself am doing your justice. My child, the moment she spoke your name, I, in that very moment, strengthened the shield around you. You were tired. You were troubled. You were emotionally fallen. But my protection did not allow you to break, because I chose you, and the one whom I choose, the world cannot even touch. Darkness tried to find you, but my light drove it away. The enemy tried to reach your soul, but my presence stood like a wall. This protection you did not feel, but it was active every single moment. My child, if my words are echoing in your heart, write below, Lord, I trust you. This will declare to darkness that you are not alone. Rainbow, now listen carefully. Here are 3 signs of your breakthrough. Large orange diamond, sign 1, a sudden peace descending. A peace will suddenly come into your home, your mind, and your atmosphere that you will not be able to understand. This is the sign of my presence, that the burden of darkness has been removed. Large orange diamond, sign 2, people moving away. Some people will suddenly start distancing themselves from you. Do not stop them, because I am doing this. I am separating you from those who secretly spoke against you. Large orange diamond, sign 3, doors opening. The work that was stuck for months, the one that troubled you, will suddenly begin to open. This will be my sign that the force blocking your destiny has been completely destroyed. Glowing star, now listen, the most important part. My child, the woman who tried to harm you, who drained your energy, who spoke your name in darkness, who blocked your path, her chapter has now ended. Your chapter, which was held back for years, has now begun. I am protecting you. I am clearing your path. I am removing your enemies. I am brightening your future. Darkness chose you, but I delivered you. You did not fall, because I was holding you, my child. From today you will not walk in fear. You will walk in faith. From today you will not live in pain. You will live in strength. From today you will not remain in confusion. You will remain in clarity. From today you will not fight alone. I will fight with you. From today your soul will not be weak, because I am your strength. From today, I declare, no power, no person, no darkness will succeed against you. You will rise. You will shine. You will move forward. You will win. Because, my child, even if your name was spoken in darkness, your future is written in my light. Amen.